Tier DT Boom Lift HT22G. Electric power, eco-friendly. Low noise. Zero emissions. Overall length 10.9 m. Overall width 2.49 m. Overall weight 13,000 kg. Maximum gradability 45%. Large off-road tires, excellent passability. Equipped with a color display screen and one-click fault inquiry. All components are sourced from top international brands. Long service life. Easy maintenance and servicing. More reliable. The platform can achieve 360 rotation, making it flexible and efficient. Precision and efficient AC drive system with strong power and smooth control. Fully electric proportional control for composite boom movements. Smooth and efficient. Boom weight lowering for energy savings. Industry-leading dual load capacity of 300 kg for 150 kg. Integrated slewing reducer for smoother rotation. Suitable for ship maintenance, factories, office buildings, and renovation maintenance.